Hi, this is a quick tutorial how you're going to use Educreations for our activity in class today. First of all, what you're going to need to do is find the app itself, and if you swipe over to the search bar, you can find it, type it in, start typing in Educreations. It should pop up, and you're going to click on that list. And this is what's going to show up at first. It looks like you're ready to go, but I want you to sign in or log into your class first. And you're going to do this by simply pressing the Done button. Once you've done that, you're going to see this screen, and it'll basically this login right here, or this gear, and you're going to press that to get into a sign-in or log in or sign up, and that's where you will hit log in or sign up, and you will create an account and a student, and you will use the course code I gave you in class. See me if you need that. Once you've done that, it's going to come up to your information page, and you're going to enter your information here. And I'm not going to enter that for this because I've already got one created. But when you do that, it will be it'll bring you right to the create a lesson page. So enter that information. Highly suggest that you use your Mounds U School email address and password as a way of just keeping everything uniform. That should work just fine for our purposes. If you've got some screen recordings, you're going to see that already posted. But if you click on the new lesson button, you're going to then bring you to this. And now you're ready to go. And what you need to do is just know the basic controls here, that if you click on that, you're going to see the palette with the different colors, and you can change it so you have 4 palettes or 4 colors there available that you can then just immediately draw with. And if you click on the, go over and click on the green one, you can then use that as well. You also have the text button, and that allows you to just create text. And if you notice, you can make it bigger or smaller, depending on what you want. So you can be done with that. You can also import an image. This is kind of a cool thing because you can either one from the camera, or if you want to do a quick web search, you can then go in and look for something like, I don't know, cow. We can look for it. There's a cow. Good looking cow. We'll pick that one. And then you can then, obviously with the controls there, you can see you can change it, adjust it as needed. At any point, then, you can begin to record. Now, this is where the storyboard comes in. Because you might decide, I'm going to have this slide, and then I'm going to have another slide here that is going to create a new thing that I want to have some text for, and then I want to have one more slide that says, the end. And once you've done that, now you've got your your storyboard figured out, that you might look at and say, okay, now I'm ready to record. All the while, you can use the pointer to move things around, or I'm sorry, to move things around, or to add things while you're recording. But note, once you start recording, you can't go back. So be sure what you're going to say. Know where you're going with your presentation. That's where the storyboard is very important. And when you're done, and I'm just going to record for a minute or two, or a second or two, and just going to go back and forth. And when I'm done, you hit done, and you're going to save the lesson. You're going to title it. We're going to start with, again, your period number, and then the last names of the people in your group. Okay, hit next, and you're going to save it to, I believe it's just going to say your school. I'm going to put to my students, and it should come up something similar to this. I'm not quite sure what it's going to be for your particular class, but I'm going to save it, and it will be there. That's it.